Tip of the week is fertilization. Fertilization is so important to plants like food is to us. And when is the best time to fertilize? All year long. You just have to identify the issue or the deficiency of a plant, choose the right chemical, because, for example, you don't want to put a high concentrated nitrogen fertilizer on a plant with fungus activity, because you're only going to feed the fungus. So you need to understand your fertilizers. Second of all, you must wear gloves and mask, because you're dealing with fertilizer, it's not a game here. And third, because you're using all year long on a monthly basis, small dosage. Never put a pile of fert here and there, never, okay? If you need a specialized services, call us right now.